Hey there, English superstars. Today we are diving into pronouns. We use words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they all the time. So let's make learning fun. Ready? Let's go! First up, let's talk about singular pronouns. These are for one person or a thing. Say them with me. I, you, he, she, it. Awesome. Now, let's see them in action. For example, I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a dog. Now let's talk about plural pronouns. They are for more than one person. Say them with me. We, they. Easy, right? Let's use them in a sentence. We are students. They are teachers. We are happy. Yay! They are playing football. Yay! Let's meet our friends here. We have Tom. He's a cool guy. And we have Mary. She's actually a student.
Hello.
And lastly, we have our dog. Yeah, it is doggy. I can say it is a dog. Woof, woof. Let's see if you got it. Fill in the blanks, okay? Number 1. Dash is a boy. Yes, he is a boy. Number 2. Dash is a girl. That's right, she is a girl. Number 3. Dash is a dog. Easy, it is a dog. Woof, woof. Number 4. Dash are students. Nice job. We are students. We. And lastly, dash are teachers. Perfect. They are teachers. You are a pronoun pro now. And you just leveled up your English. Keep practicing and soon you'll sound like a native speaker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See you next time, and bye-bye.